channel. So today's video is going to be about my 3-month update for my Microlocs. So first thing I'm going to talk to you about is that I combined some locks. I actually did this recently within the past couple of days. So combined about 6 or 7, maybe even more than that, because I was scared that they were going to get really thin. I only did ones like along my edges, which I'm fine with. They still look small, so I'm not mad at it, but let me show you the ones. So this was 2 combined to 1. This one, this one. Okay, yeah. I combined all of these. This one needs to be kind of re-twisted. And then I combined one in the back as well. This one right here. They're not combined, I just twist them. But the next time I interlock, I will interlock them together. And I already have one that was combined from my last interlocking session, which is why I probably can't find it. It's already interlocked at the root. I think it's this one, actually. So yeah, I combined a decent amount because they're just, at the root, they're just so thin compared to like the rest of the length. So I was like, you know what, I'd rather be safe than sorry, and I don't lose any of my edges. So yeah, I decided to kind of combine them. I'm also having not really an issue with my edges. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. It doesn't feel thin or look thin, but it's just like, feels kind of sparse to me, but it could just be the placement of the locks and how I combine them. It's like further back now instead of being like closer to the front of my edges or whatever. So that could be the reason why for that. So I'm still not 100% liking my hair. After I actually combined the ones in the front, I was like, ooh, this is a lot better. I'm dealing with a lot of frizziness in the front of my hair. Edge control, I can't even use it. It's like 90s, it's been 90s down here in Florida for the past like couple of weeks. I'll try to use edge control and then I'll sweat it out like within 30 minutes before we even get to our destination. So it doesn't even matter if I use it or not, to be honest. But after I combine the ones in the front that were, see, these are like a lot thicker than like, I don't know, some of the ones. Anyways, yeah, so after I combined my edge pieces, I did feel better about my hair. So we'll see how I feel about that. I'm not taking them down and I'm not cutting them off until after I get married. So I'm just gonna deal with it if I don't like my hair. But it's not like it's not nice, but I don't know. I just haven't been feeling it. I tend to do like styles and stuff to get over my little funk with my hair. I've started getting shrinkage. I'm looking at my notes on my computer. That's why I'm looking to the side. But I've started getting a lot of shrinkage. I'll show you. My hair is kind of just laying right at my shoulders. I'll show you the back. So I was laying pretty much at my shoulders. I feel like before it was kind of doing some of this, you know, had a little bit more hang time, but I can see that my ends are a lot more springy and the actual twist itself seems more springy as well, which actually gives it more fullness. So I'm not really mad at the shrinkage. So this is my 3-month mark. At my 3-month mark with my old locks, my last set of locks, that's when I noticed shrinkage happening with those locks as well. So yeah, I haven't noticed any type of locking process or anything like that. My locking process started 3 months with my old set. These still feel like twists, and I don't expect them to feel like locks anytime soon. So yeah, going back to the frizziness that I'm dealing with, especially in the front sections, if anyone has any suggestions of what to do. My hair doesn't really look frizzy right now, but my roots are. When I get close to, not like this middle part. When I get close to retightening time, my hair gets really frizzy. And also, this lock over here, I don't know how many times I've had to braid it down. I had to put on any glasses. Let me show you. This, like from here to here, is, oh, look at that, see, it slipped like bad. Yeah, up to there is braided. Everything else is unraveled. Everything else is unraveled, and I braided it so many times. It's just that one piece that keeps unraveling. So right now it's like twisted down. I feel like braiding it again. But that piece of my hair literally feels like it's like heat damage. Just how soft it is. And I never noticed it. I never noticed that texture of my hair being that soft, like when my hair was loose. So yeah. Okay, so reason why I haven't posted a video, I was on a weekly kind of schedule, and I posted my proposal story. Not proposal story, but the actual proposal video. Really short and to the point, which is what I wanted. Anyways, I'll have a video about the proposal story with my fiance soon-ish, I guess. Anyways, so the reason I haven't been on the channel is because I was sick. Didn't have COVID, but I had like two separate infections back to back within like a month and a half. So I was put on antibiotics twice. I had gotten better from the first infection, which was like, I thought I had strep throat. And then, but it wasn't strep throat, it was sort of random infection. So I had antibiotics for that. So I was sick for, I think, a week and a half. And then like 2 weeks later, I finished my class, finished my final. A couple days after that, I had another infection, and my eczema flared up so bad. Still kind of recovering actually. When I got proposed to, which has been on Thursday, it'll be 2 weeks already. When I got proposed to, my hands were still not nearly recovered, and I was extremely surprised that I was able to wear my ring, or that he was actually able to put it on. I didn't wear a ring for until like 3 days later, I was able to actually fit it. So anyways, so my hands are healing. They're smooth again. They're not like inflamed, like when the flare up was really bad. So yeah, I was out for like 2 weeks with that infection, and my hands were messed up and everything like that. So that's the reason I haven't been posting anything. And I've kind of been unmotivated, probably because I haven't been feeling my hair lately. I haven't been motivated to do any videos, but I'm going to try to get back into it. I'm actually enjoying getting back into the camera again, so yeah. So all that to say, my last interlocking session took forever to do. And it's because I was sick. So I had started my interlocking, I want to say it's been like a month, honestly, since I started the back. It's been a month since I started back. So yeah, I started at the middle maybe of June or something. I don't know. Maybe it's been 3 weeks. But no, it's been longer than that. Anyways, so I started in the back of my hair. I did the whole back half of my hair. That took like probably 3 days to do. I did that, and then I actually did part of the sides. So I did like this section, both of these sections. I got sick, didn't touch my hair for 2 weeks. My friend was like, okay, you need to do something with your hair, like in the edges part, because she knew what I was getting close to. And my hands were feeling better, so I was able to get this section of my hair done, which was great for getting close to. My hair wasn't looking crazy. And then I waited another couple of days, and then I was able to finish the center. So the center is like pretty fresh. It's like a week or a week and a half. The very front is probably 2 weeks at this point, and the back is probably at 3 to 4 weeks. So my hair is all over the place. I mean, the front of my hair grows faster. Oh my gosh. The front of my hair grows faster anyways. So by the time I need to retighten my whole head again, which is probably gonna be another 2 weeks, it'll be all at the same pace, I guess you can say. So yeah, but I am going to keep retightening at a 4 to 6 week schedule. I had waited about 8 weeks by the time my whole entire head was done, and I'm never going to do that again. I feel like since I waited so long, a lot of, I don't know if it's bunching, but let me show you. I don't know if you can see right here. It's like thicker or something. And a lot of my locks are doing that at the root. So, and also while I was interlocking my whole entire head, at least in the back sections, I was able to re-braid the ends that had unraveled. So hopefully they'll unravel again. But I do have to go back in, like some of these are totally still twists because I wasn't able to braid. I was only able to interlock because my hands were not feeling the greatest. So I wasn't able to braid all of the rest of the locks down that I had finished after my hands like healed back up or whatever. So the next interlocking session, I'll go in, since I'm interlocking one by one, and I'll be able to feel if the braid is like, I don't know, long enough in order to secure my twist so that it'll have any more unraveling, because that's like the most annoying part. But you see the shrinkage? It's like, it's ridiculous. Wow, okay. Anyways, so yeah, that's all I have to say for today. Yeah, let me give you a 360 of my hair now. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.